Hey there, young adventurers. Get ready for an exciting DIY journey as we create adventure-inspired upcycled playsets together. Who's ready for some epic fun? Today, we're diving into the world of imagination. We'll be using simple household items to craft our very own adventure playsets. Let's turn cardboard and creativity into something extraordinary. Will you set sail on a pirate ship, explore the cosmos in a space station, or venture into the jungle? The choice is yours. Let's embark on this creative journey together. Gather your materials and follow along as we transform these everyday items into magical playsets. From cutting and decorating to assembling, watch as the adventure comes to life before our eyes. And just like that, our adventure playsets are ready. Look at the incredible worlds we've created, each one telling a unique story. Let your imagination run wild as you explore these new realms. Now comes the most exciting part, playtime. Whether it's sailing the high seas, exploring galaxies, or encountering wild creatures, let your imagination take the lead in these new adventure worlds. Are you feeling inspired? Gather your materials and start crafting your adventure playset. Don't forget to involve your friends and family. After all, every adventure is better when shared. What a fantastic journey we've had today. Remember, with a little creativity and some recycled materials, the adventure never ends. If you enjoyed this DIY adventure, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting projects, and share your own creations in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and crafting.